County Road, State Road 13 out here in St. Augustine. There's a lot of stuff that is destroyed from Hurricane Matthew. I'm sorry if my filming is not that good right now. I'm trying to get as much as I can. It is very hard to get down to downtown St. Augustine right now. I'm doing my best to get as much of this as possible on film. Just take a look around and look how much is destroyed. There's trees on top of houses, fences, there's boats washed up on shore. It is really, they got it hard out here. And I'm still waiting to see how downtown St. Augustine looks and over by the Volano Beach and around that area.